Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to be showing you today how to do a simple bar chart in Tableau. So for those that are new to Tableau, you have a data source, and that data source can be anything, but today we're going to be using Excel. As you can see, my Excel data is on the screen. We just have some random dog, cat, camel, pet data, and pet food, and we're going to be connecting that to Tableau. So our first step is open our Tableau icon. Got that open here. And we're going to be secondly connecting to our data source. So we've got our data source right here, and we're just going to click and drag it across. To make sure that we've connected to our data, as we can see here, we've got our data name on the side, on the left-hand side. Just make that bigger so you guys can see. Bar data, and that matches our data that we've got just here. All right, we're all good to go. So first step, we'll click on sheet 1 and we will start bringing over our categories. So we can click anywhere in the screen. We've got our dimensions and our measures. We'll start by clicking pet food and we'll connect to here. That's just given us a really simple bar chart. Now if we want to make that a little bit more jazzy, we can add some color. So we're simply going to hold Control and drag pet food over to color. You can see there that's changed the gradient of the blue. However, if we want to change it to different colors, we can just simply click color, edit colors, and we've got a range of colors here that we can choose from. My favorite is the red and black, and we reverse it. All done.